Today we are going through my current curly hair styling routine. I usually do this full styling once or twice a week. I'll co-wash most of the washes, but occasionally will shampoo. So today I shampooed with this Mop Top Detox shampoo and then used the Dad Advanced Climate Controlled Diffusing Conditioner. I found this massive bottle at TJ Maxx, so definitely check them out. And I used a wet brush and my fingers to detangle while in the shower. Now, new to my routine is I did not scrunch after detangling. By the way, everything I mentioned is linked below. If you use my affiliate links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, so thank you if you use them. Now, on to the styling. I've been liking the Curlsmith Miracle Shield spray. I spray it all over and lift sections to get a little more coverage. Then I go in with the Miel Hawaiian Ginger Leave-In Conditioner. This smells so good. Usually 4 to 5 pumps total, and I rake it through, focusing primarily on the ends. Then I brush through with my wet brush to make sure the products are more evenly distributed and that the hair is tangle-free. It really likes itself and can tangle pretty quickly. Next up is sectioning the hair. I take a couple of these big clips and separate the crown section first, comb through one more time with my wet brush, twist and clip it in place. Then the middle section, I comb through, twist, and clip it in place. And then I'll start with that bottom section. So I'll go in with some gel. Today I'm using the Dad Advanced Climate Control Heat and Humidity Gel. I'll take a full pump of the gel and rake it through the bottom section of my hair. Then I've been grabbing the Bounce Curl Volume Edge Lift brush. I slept on this for far too long, but it's been great now that I know how to use it. I start in the back, split it into 2 halves, and then go through one side at a time, working my way back to front. So I'll divide each into smaller vertical sections and comb through each a couple times, keeping the tension with the bounce curl brush, and letting those spaced edges create smooth, defined curl clumps. This is probably my favorite product in this whole routine. I've noticed way less frizz when styling with this brush and more spiral curls, especially at the ends. You can use the bottom of the handle for separating sections, but I'm not great at that yet, so I just use my fingers. Once I've combed through a section, I give it a little shake. And then when I've gone through that entire bottom half with the bounce curl brush, then I scrunch that entire section at one time. When you look at both sides of this bottom section, you can already see how much shorter and more defined the styled curls are. Isn't that wild? The next bottom section. Again, we're gonna take vertical sections, starting in the back, working our way forward, 2 to 3 passes with the comb, maintaining tension, and then a little shake. I use the brush horizontally on the section closest to my face, and then I'll scrunch that entire bottom half of my hair. Then I move on to the middle section. We are going to use another pump of the gel, but the amount can vary a little bit depending on how thick this section of your hair is. Again, I comb through with my wet brush for more even distribution, and then I separate into smaller sections for styling. These are the ones that I use the bounce curl brush in a horizontal position with, and I do scrunch each smaller section after brushing. On to the final section, and you know the drill. This time I'm going in with half a pump of gel, and then I comb through with the wet brush. For the crown section, I separate out at an angle when I go through with the bounce curl brush and scrunch. If it's feeling too dry, I'll mist or hold the hair under my faucet and scrunch some water in real quick. Then I give my hair a final all-over scrunch. And it's time to diffuse. I'm really liking this Shark Dryer Styler combo. The diffuser has these telescopic prongs which allow for more volume. It has 4 heat settings, 3 speeds, and a cool burst button. And all the attachments go on and off very easily. It's really nice to not get into a fight with the dryer to put on a diffuser. Usually I will use my diffusing time to put on makeup, read, or check emails. I like to diffuse in sections, starting at the front and working my way back. Usually I keep the heat on level 1 and alternate it with the cool shot. And I've been using speed 2. I used to always use low speed, but I haven't actually noticed any problems, like extra frizz, using 1 speed up. Okay, hair is mostly dry. This I think was 40-ish minutes. And then I let my hair air dry the rest of the way, but because this was on video, I tried to dry it a little more. And then I actually don't scrunch out any crunch until the following day if I can help it. I don't typically mess with it this much. This is just for the video and so that you can see the curls. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave those in the comment section below that like and subscribe button. So that is it. That is my current curly hair styling routine. I think the bounce curl brush is definitely what has made the biggest difference. And even though styling in these sections takes a little bit longer than just scrunching the whole thing, I've noticed that my results last longer and I've had less frizz overall. I so appreciate you being here, and I just hope you have the most lovely day. Thank you so much for watching.